Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on Moonpay. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and the Play Store or the App Store and download the of course Moonpay application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Moonpay if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have the buy, sell, and swap, of course, the three options that you have here. You can start verification, you have your account, you have the popular tokens. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy Bitcoin on Moonpay. So it is pretty easy and pretty straightforward, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So when you create an account, when you verify your account, then of course you need to go and find Bitcoin. So you need to go and click on the plus button where you need to go and buy. And then, of course, you have to select the coin. So here we have Ethereum. And as you can see, the most popular one is Bitcoin, of course. You need to click on it, put how much Bitcoin you want. The minimum amount you can buy is 30, as you can see. So you can go and buy 30 or however you want, or 500. Click the number, click continue. And of course, you will, of course, then go to checkout where you can go and buy 500 worth of Bitcoin. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.